How to export a database to CSV file in Python. Let's start by creating a dummy users database with 3 columns: ID, email, and name. Add a whole bunch of users. Then write a snippet to create the SQLITE database. And import the SQL file. With that, we can now work on the export script. Start by loading the SQLITE and CSV modules. Create the CSV file and a CSV file writer. Connect to the dummy users database. Finally, fetch all entries and write to the CSV file. That's all for this short tutorial. Like and subscribe for more.